बस जियो वतन के नाम पर। Now I would like to call our first participant, who is Rumana Khan of class 6, who is going to recite dua. Please welcome.
My name is Mana Khan. I am studying class 6 from New Rosary High School. मैं आपके सामने एक दुआ पेश करने जा रही हूँ. दुआ लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत है खुदा या मेरी लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवाने की सूरत या रब इल्म की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना ओ मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको नेक जो उस राह पर चलाना मुझको ओ मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको नेक जो राह उस राह पर चलाना मुझको. थैंक यू.
A big round of applause to Rumana Khan. Mashallah, he has done very well. Now I would like to call our second participant of program, Rumsha Afreen of class 5th, who is going to tell history of independence.
Good morning. My name is Rumsha Afreen. I am from 5th class of Niroti Nursery KGN High School. Today I am here to tell you history about independence. Indian independence movement. European traders had established outposts in the Indian subcontinent by the 17th century. The East India Company found and annexed local kingdoms themselves as the dominant force by the 18th century. The Indian National Congress Party formed in 1885. The period after World War I was marked by Napoleonic reforms such as Montagu-Chelmsford reform. But it also witnessed the enactment of the unpopular Rowlatt Act. The discontent of this period crystallized into nationwide non-violence movement of non-cooperation and civil disobedience, led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. During the 1930s, the reforms were gradually legislated by the British. Congress won victories in the resulting elections. The next decade was pressed with political turmoil. Indian participation in World War II. The Congress won and pushed for non-cooperation and an upsurge of Muslim nationalism led by the All India Muslim League. The jubilation was tempered by the bloody partition of the subcontinent into India and Pakistan. Partition and independence. Millions of Muslim, Sikh and Hindu refugees trekked the newly drawn borders in the months of surrounding independence. The violence was mitigated in all between 250,000 and 1 million people on both sides of the new borders died the violence while the entire nation was celebrating the Independence Day, 15 August 1947. The Constituent Assembly of India met of its 5th session at 11 p.m. on 14th August in the Constitution Hall in New Delhi. The session was chaired by the President Rajendra Prasad. In this session, Jawaharlal Nehru delivered the prize with distinguished speech proclaiming India's independence. The members of Assembly formally took the pledge of being in the service of the country. A group of women representing the women of India formally took the national flag to the Assembly. Thank you.
Well done, very good.
Thank you very much, Nimsha Afrin, for the wonderful history of our Independence Day. Now I would like to call Muhammad Ali to give a speech in English speech.
Just adjust the finger on the. Yeah.
Respected madam and teachers and my dear friends, Happy Independence Day. My question is how we got independence. On 15th August in 1947, on this day India became independent. We won freedom from British power after a hard and non-violent struggle. On this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister, implored the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of 200-year-old British period in India. Now we breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices of many unparalleled contribution of great men and women to achieve their independence. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Gopal Bandhu Das are reverent homage by one and all in the country. Thank you.
Thank you, Ali, so much for the wonderful speech. Now I would like to call Ammar from class 6 to give a Hindi speech. Muhammad Ammar.
My name is Muhammad Ammar from class 6th of Rosary High School. I am telling Hindi speech for Independence Day. मेरे प्यारे अध्यापिका जी और मेरे दोस्तों, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन हमारा देश आज़ाद हुआ। इस आज़ादी में कई लोगों शहीद हुए, जैसे कि भगत सिंह, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, अशफाकुल्लाह खान और कई भारतीय शहीद हुए। और इन शहीदों को याद करके हमें इस दिन का सम्मान करना चाहिए। और इस दिन हमारे प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराते हैं और राष्ट्रगीत गाते हैं। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Amar. And I would like to call the next participant, who is Rimsha Mahin of class 5, who is going to tell us about English speech.
My respected principal madam, all my teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rimsha Manu. I am from class 5 New Rosary High School. Today we all are here to acknowledge the privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Long back in 1947, we got our independence. Independence Day is celebrated on 75th. Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. We know that we are living in this independent India only because of the struggles of our freedom fighters. So it is important to remember each of them on this day. Independence Day is celebrated as national festival. Independence Day is observed throughout India with many flag hosting ceremonies and parades and a lot of cultural events. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi Rajpath, where the national anthem is a song after the Prime Minister hoists the flag.
lot of cultural events, flowers reading, dances, and also the Indian Defence Service conduct parade on this day. So, independent. So we so 15 August is not only about the freedom. It reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines the sacrifices. So on this day we should take an oath that we will always be with our motherland until our last breath. Once more wishing you a very happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much. I would like to call our next participant, who is Huzaifa, who is telling the Hindi Kavita.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम सैयद ज़फ़ा अब्दुल अज़ीज़ है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम नूर रोज़री नर्सरी केजीएन हाई स्कूल है। मैं 15 अगस्त की कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। क्या पढ़ते हो किताबों में, आओ मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ। 15 अगस्त की असली परिभाषा आज अच्छे से समझाता हूँ। एक दौर था जब भारत को सोने की चिड़िया कहते थे। कैद कर लिया उस चिड़िया को, वो शिकारी अंग्रेज कहलाते थे। कुतर कुतर कर सारे पंख अधमरा कर छोड़ दिया। सांसें चल रही थी बस, ताकत से अब रिश्ता पुराना था। कहते हैं कि हिम्मत से बढ़कर दुनिया में और कुछ नहीं होता। दुनिया में और कुछ नहीं होता। अदरा कदरा समेट कर फिर उठ खड़ी हुई चिड़िया। बिखर गए थे सारे पंख तो बिन पंखों के उड़ना सीख लिया। परिस्थिति चाहे जैसी भी थी दोस्तों, उसने लड़ना सीख लिया। लड़ती रही अंतिम सांस तक और सफलता उसके हाथ लगी। आजादी की थी जामन में और वो आजादी के घर लौट गई। आज उस चिड़िया को हम घर से भारत बुलाते हैं और सीना गदगद हो जाता जब हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं। आजादी का यह पल दोस्तों और मिलकर मनाते हैं। जाए रहे हम अमेरिका या लंदन, भारत को आगे बढ़ाते हैं, भारत का गुण गाते हैं और 15 अगस्त मनाते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Well done, Huzaifa, you have done very well. Now next is Sabat Fatima of class 6, who is going to tell English speech.
Good morning, my name is Sabat Fatima. I am studying in class 6 of New Rosie High School. Today I am saying Independence Day speech. Good morning to all respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today I would like to say a few words about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. We got independence on 1547 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. We all must sacrifice of nation, great freedom fighters, Sher-e-Mahsoor, Shaheed Tipu Sultan, Shaheed Maulana Anwarullah Khan, Nawab Singh Daulah, Ashrafullah Khan, Maulana Abdullah Sindhi. We should celebrate this day with great spirit. On this great occasion, we host our national flag and sing national anthem. We must contribute for the development of our country so that no country can imagine to roll on. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country development and progress. Dear friends, let's work together to make our country the best country in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi everyone, I am Kubra Begum from class 9. Today I will present a poem which is We All Are Indians First. History is our witness and martyrs are the gods. We are disciples of our gurus. This land is saying a god.
Compassion is a heritage and unity is a trust. Neither Hindu nor Muslim. We all are Indians first. Diversity is our culture and unity is our strength. Preserve.
Okay, preserve unity is the strength and it keeps India country developing. So
Perseverance is our ethos and elegance is our means. Neither Tamils nor Sikhs. We all are Indians first. We ain't shy of hard work. For us, best is just. Neither Kannada nor Odia. We all are Indians first. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Next participant is Samia Jabin of class 5 who is going to tell slogans.
I am Samya Jabin of class 5. Wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. Now I am going to say some of the famous slogans by our Indian freedom fighters. Freedom fighters, करो या मरो by गांधी जी. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा by सुभाष चंद्र बोस. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद by भगत सिंह. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा by मोहम्मद इकबाल. देश बचाओ देश बनाओ by नरसिम्हा राव. वंदे मातरम by बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. भारत छोड़ो by गांधी जी. जय जवान जय किसान by लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. स्वराज हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है by बाल गंगाधर तिलक. काम अधिक बातें कम by संजय गांधी. मारो फिरंगी को by मंगल पांडे. थैंक यू. जय हिंद जय भारत.
Happy 75th Independence of India and vote of thanks to by Asmat Firdaus teacher.
hello. One second. Before pandemic, we announced an award. Whoever are performing Fajr Namaz, and every day and posting it, and especially we wanted our boys, to go to masjids in the morning. But it so happened that we were giving an award of 50,000 rupees to the one who could continuously do that every day. And this continues. You please start doing it. The students who are getting up early in the morning, performing Fajr Namaz and joining our assembly on time and all the classes will be awarded. But this is the girl who kept on posting. Even during severe winter, during January also, she kept posting to her class teacher, I am performing it, and she has inculcated this habit. So give her a big round of applause. And thank you so much, and you stand here for teacher. Can you please follow the Rinsha Mahi for her wonderful performance. Amar. Amar of class 6 is here. Okay. Uzaifa, class 5. Sabahat Fatima, class 6. We were looking in the papers today, right about? Tania Javeen, class 5. Good slogan. Kubra Begum, class 9. Okay, you already got it. But all the performances can come here for future.
Please come. Rumana, Riksha,
All. Dear teachers, students and parents, this pandemic was a time, when people were disturbed mentally, physically. We have lost so many loved ones during this time. But in spite of that, our children during this performance and all the parents cooperating with them I think they all should pat themselves. Please pat at your back, and this shows that you are strong. At this time also, your children could show this performance. You are consistently at the back of them. We expect the same cooperation from you. Please continue and make sure that other students whom you know also, their parents also, tell them. The only point what I am observing from the secondary school students, their sleeping schedule is not being maintained. Whole night they are awake, morning they are not able to get up, and they are not joining online classes. So there is no other substitution. We are going to have either online or hybrid classes in future. You have to get them used to it, and parents have to keep an eye on it. I'm not asking you to sit and read with them, but keep on watching whether your children are with their studies or they are here, because you know when they go Google, go to the YouTube, we don't know where all the places they are browsing, and it's their age to be inquisitive and curious. We have to help them to follow the right direction. So I expect all the teachers to make sure that the students continue joining the classes on time, right from 8:40 assembly, where we wanted them to start with the exercises, because sitting at home nowadays there is no physical work. So building your good physical health, immunity, exercises, and then your classes, because this is only the time 0 to 7. All the time I keep saying the parents, and I'm very happy that all these pre-primary, primary children, why do you see them performing so well? Because that is the age where children get all this. Once these children are standing on the stage, I'm sure one day they'll become the president and prime minister of a country, because they don't have any hesitation to come and stand on the stage. But this we are not finding when our secondary school students. It is important that this is the school age is the only time when you can get all these inhibitions, come out of the inhibitions, and prepare yourself for this VUCA world. This is a world which is ambiguous. We don't know where we are. It's a lot of ambiguity, confusion is there around us. So let's make sure that we use all right, proper channel, proper education, and we make sure our children are in right direction and on the right path. Thank you so much. Amar, congratulations. Thank you so much.
High School, and my own behalf, we are all grateful to all the freedom fighters who have sacrificed everything for the sake of our country. Okay. Now, I would like to express a deep sense of thankfulness to our principal ma'am, teachers, and our non-teaching staff to arrange all the program. Further, I would like to thank the students for presenting a sense of discipline and enthusiasm during the programs. And then I would like to thank our valued parents for the presence and cooperation in the school, for our school in the Independence Day celebration. Also, I would like to thank for all the service providers. Once again, I thank you one and all with a grateful heart. Thank you so much.